talk here about persuasive essays and how we format this. And this is really a simple explanation. So let's pretend my invention is a magical music stand. Remember how I talked about that a little before? Okay, so it's a magical music stand. And why, this is actually our infomercial. Okay, on a magical music stand, that's going to be my topic. That's my invention. That's what I'm going to prove to you guys is the best thing ever. Okay, first thing we need to do is we need to introduce it. Okay, so in our intro. And in our intro, we need a couple of things. First of all, what is my product? Guys, this should only be a super short, I can't spell product. This should only be a super short 1 to 2 sentence explanation of what this is. Okay. So then, 1 to 2 sentences, that's it for explaining what it is. You don't want to go into super detail here, okay, because we want to explain it more later. So if you go into super detail now, what are you going to write about later, right? Then I would go ahead and discuss who is your audience. Who is this for? So my magical music stand, it could be for musicians. It could be for teachers. It could be for presenters. It could be for a student presentation. It could be for people who need to put something somewhere while they're talking, right? And so that's my audience. And so I'm going to address that. Again, though, guys, 1 to 2 sentences. That's it. That's your introduction paragraph. Not hard, is it? But now, so that's our intro. Okay, so then we want that's our first paragraph, right? Our next paragraph is actually kind of another intro. Because now what we want to do is we want to explain what our product is. So we want to talk about what our product, what is my magical music stand? Okay, and this is kind of where the table idea comes in too, right? A table paragraph. What is my product? A magical music stand. What does it do? And why should somebody buy it? Okay, guys, you need 3 reasons to answer that. Okay, in fact, I'm going to go ahead and add reason 1, why it should be bought, what it is. Reason 2, what it is, why it should be bought. Reason 3, what is it, why should it be bought, right? And you might not answer both of those and all of those, but within those 3 reasons, you need to answer what it is and why we should buy it. Okay? You want to explain as much as possible. Okay, now, I'm going to move on just a little bit. So we're going to have a paragraph here, new paragraph. Okay, guys, this is where it gets easy because all we're doing is dragging this down. So we're going to say reason 1, restate it. You know, a magical music stand is helpful because it allows pages to be turned hands-free. It also, you know what I mean? So that means no more cumbersome messing up when you're trying to turn the page, or no worries about accidentally flinging it off your music stand, right? Those would be reasons why we would use a magical music stand. So I might restate that. Okay. Now and those other reasons I gave then would be facts or proofs. Okay. Really, we only need 2 here. Okay, because this is where, ma'am, right? These just happen to be facts or a proof. Hey guys. That's because I did that on purpose. Thank you. I'm glad you noticed I didn't do the M. Because now, guys, we're going to restate it. / sum up. What was your point? Okay? And that's your last M. Okay? So good catching. That's fine. Good job. You caught it. Okay? Then, guys, we're doing it again. New paragraph. Oh, look. Reason. Careful, please. Reason 2. Restated. Okay? Now we want at least 2 facts or proofs. Facts and proof could be testimonials. Somebody who's used the product before. Okay? And guys, I realize that because this is an infomercial and you're making up a product, that these are more like quote unquote facts.
Do we have to make a step thing up?
Yeah, you're going to make up facts.
No, like a product?
Yes. Did you miss this part?
Like,
Okay,
we have to make it like...
Yes. Well, hold on. We'll talk about that in a minute. Hold on.
Can we use real facts as well?
You could use real facts as well.
Do we have
Okay.
to bring it?
No. Okay. Restate. We can talk about that in a minute. Okay. Okay, so restate it. Restate / sum up. Sum up. Answer the question. Oh, why does it do that? What was my point? What is the point? What's the point of the paragraph? What am I trying to say? Right? Because otherwise it gets too long and drawn out and all this stuff. Okay, guys, watch. Ready? Next paragraph. What am I going to put there? Any ideas?
Some details, probably.
How about reason 3? See? Reason 3 from my intro.
Oh, yeah.
Reason 3. Restate it. This is really bad handwriting because of how I'm holding this. Okay. Restate. Reason 3. You're going to restate it. You already put it up here, but you're going to say it again in slightly different words. That's what I mean by restate. Okay? Then again, look. M-A-A-M. Sum it up. Hey, guys. I have news for you. You just finished your 5th paragraph. That's the 5th paragraph. But guys, look, there's a little bit more to do. Could you do this though? Is that really that much? It's really not that much, is it?
I already did 3 paragraphs.
Right, you're already on your way. Okay, it's okay. Guys, now look. Now we want to talk about who is the competition. Okay?
Do we have to do that?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Who is our competition? Okay, guys, excuse me. Okay, competition. Now you want to state like maybe 2 or 3 different types of competition. Okay, so for me, it'd be regular music stands and podiums. Right? Like a podium where you see like a pastor has and they put their stuff on. Okay, so that might be my 2 things for me. But you want to list at least 2. But you don't want to just list them. You want to say it in like sentence format. Right? Always. Always sentence format in an essay. Okay, you can change that still. We're not done yet. Okay.
I sort of turned it on.
Well, you can unsubmit it. Okay. Sentence format. Okay. That is a really weird spelling of podium. I don't know what that was. I'm just going to put POD for now. Okay, guys. Now, hey, I don't know what. So, if I go ahead and I do, well, actually we have 3 more. But the first one, so our next paragraph here, is going to explain what music stands are. It's going to, so this is competition number 1, right? Competition number 1. And we're going to take that and then we're going to explain what is it, what's the competition, and why is mine better? What's the competition? And why is, that's the first question you need to answer, right? And then why is mine better? Except you want to try to avoid the word I, right? Okay. Then, look, we had another one here. We had podiums, right? So then we're going to do a new paragraph. Apparently I can't write. Podium. Okay? And again, what is it? And of course, sentences always. Okay? And then we want to put, what is the competition? So why does mine competition with theirs? Why? Okay? What is the competition? Write it like this. It's really hard. What is the competition? And why is mine better? Okay, guys, ready? We now have, I don't know, like 7 or 8 paragraphs. Okay? But watch. Now what we're going to do is we're going to conclude it in our conclusion. Okay? Conclusion. It's another paragraph. Conclusion. Hey, guys, we're going to sum up our intro. We're going to sum up, in fact, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so we can see it. We're going to sum up our this paragraph right here, this one. What does it do? Our introduction. Sum up intro, sum up description paragraph. I can't write this small. And we want to sum up the competition. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, this is long.
Is this video?
This is video, yes, it is still recording.
I need that.